As you guys can see from the thumbnail, I have some dirty ass shoes. I need to get to cleaning them. I'm wearing these are probably like 3-4 years old. Like grade 8 or some, I don't know. These were like my grade 9 high school shoe though. We was skating in them, we was longboarding, we was walking, we was doing everything in these. Now I've just been cutting the grass in them. So they're getting hella dirty. They're kinda hella gross. So we're gonna clean these today. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look in a second. And let's get straight to it. Boom. Now we're in the goddamn laundry room. What is kicking? Alright, check out these shoes. Check out these shoes. They are dirty. Dirty. Okay, I have worn them down. Oh my lord. Look at that. Ah. And these laces looking rough, kind of. Look at that knot. Jeez. Jeez. So we're gonna get right to it. We're gonna get to cleaning these because they need them. They absolutely need them. Let's get to it.
I want the top, I want the drop top, want a lot. That be a lot of things that I want. They wanna steal my shine, what you thought? Hey, they better get in line, what you thought? Blowing this gas in the park. We used to do it way back. We used to do it way back at the start. Hey, that be a lot of things that I want. Hey, that be a lot of things that they want. Hey, that be a lot of things that I want. Hey, that be a lot of things.
So far, we got wet ass shoes that are looking somewhat whiter now. They're not so grass stainy. They're looking a little better already. It's not too bad. If you can't notice, I do have I have the NBA pack Air Forces in here. I got them chilling too. I'm about to do this to them. Do this to them, to these. But yeah, so basically what this white stuff is that's all over my floor is a type of bleaching agent that you can make at home, and it will lift the dirt out of your white rubber sole. I don't know what the fuck to call this. Whatever the fuck this is. But it'll turn it white again basically. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make that, and then we're gonna have some nice white shoes. Hopefully. This bleaching agent, it is not that hard. You just get some sort of cup that you can put it in, I guess. You're gonna grab some baking soda. I'm not sponsored, so I'm not showing the package. But yeah, you're basically just gonna put enough in there, so I mean, you got enough for your shoe. So I put about half of it. Does this thing actually have measurements on it? Okay, so I put like 2 loads of laundry, maybe, if that's what that means. Anyways, alright, so then you grab this. Now I don't do anything by the fucking rules, because who does anything by the rules? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna guess on how much liquid we need here to turn it into a not powder form, not liquid form, but kind of a mixture of in between. That's what we're looking for. So we're just gonna go back and forth between this and water until we have a decent substance kicking around. If you did this actually measuring, you would be able to get the actual measurements for this scientific fucking thing. But I was almost a high school dropout, so we don't fuck with chemistry.
Yeah. It's yeah.
Turn that on a little bit. That might have been too much. Pour that out. And get to mixing that. So you see how that went from like really, really dry to really moist nice and liquidy real quick. But it's a liquid form, but it's also forming a solid form, because as you can see, my hand just goes right into it, but I can scoop it out and it sticks to me, okay? And then it kind of just goes back. So that's the type of, I don't know, formation that we want from this. And now I'm basically just gonna put this all along the outside of the shoe where it should be white, and I'll check back with y'all after.
No scratching, thanks to the weed, no closed caption. They want the pot, a whole fraction, bitch. Well, yo lacking, Christ conscious, feel like I'm tapped in. Got the vision, you blinded by action. Ain't all the fashion, still fly in my casket. Winning the game, well, I'm overlapping. Ooh, hey, she set me up like some soup. From the North Canada goose. Life is a movie, I feel like it's juice. Up in the morning and I'm feeling loose. Just had a dream, I flew to Neptune. Reincarnated, but still not sure who. I could be Lennon or maybe Jimmy too. I could be Lennon or maybe Jimmy too. Grab the M1, cause I'm not number 2. I wanna flip M's. I call
And
it
your
a
shoes are
double.
all nice and covered
I
up
don't want trouble too.
in this white stuff. You gotta let them sit for a good old 30 minutes to an hour. And then after that, we will come back to these and we will see if they got whiter or not. So, it's good. So this is what the shoes looked like before I got to them, guys. Now, let's take a look at the shoes after I take this solution off of them.
Trying to help people, and if you're not, then bitch you be iffy. Bitch you be iffy. I'm puffing on sticky on cloud in the city. Sticky on cloud in the city. A lot of things. There's a lot of things. There's a lot of things. A lot of things that I want. A lot of things that I want. Ay. I want the top. I want the drop top. Want a lot. That be a lot of things that I want. They wanna steal my shine. What you thought? Ay. They better get in line. What you thought? Blowing this gas in the park. We used to do it way back. We used to do it way back at the start. Ay. That be a lot of things that I want. Ay. That be a lot of things that they want. Ay. That be a lot of things that I want. Ay. That be a lot of things that they want. Ay.
So we're outside now. I'm gonna show you guys these shoes and what they are looking like. I'm gonna say they're looking 100 times fucking better than what they were in the beginning. So, oh my god, I did not go and buy a new pair of shoes, I swear to god. They still had their stains on them. Still whack on the inside, okay? But look at how white, these came out, okay? I will say, a homemade trick works hella fucking good. So, like this video, subscribe if you want, but I think these shoes deserve a like. These shoes definitely deserve a like. So, thumbs up.
A lot of things that I want. Ay. I want the top, I want the drop top, want a lot. That be a lot of things that I want. They wanna steal my shine, what you thought? Ay. They better get in line, what you thought? Blowing this gas in the park. We used to do it way back. We used to do it way back at the start. Ay. That be a lot of things that I want. Ay. That be a lot of things that they want. Ay. That be a lot of things that I want. Ay. That be a lot of things that they want.